Hi, this is Fernando, global makeup artist for Chantecaille, and today I'd like to talk to you about my very simple shaving routine for very sensitive skin. First, I like to prep my skin by using the Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask, a very nourishing, moisturizing mask that will not only prevent irritation in the skin, but it'll make the shaving process very comfortable. There, small amount is all it takes, and now you're ready for shaving. Using the Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask allows for the razor blade to glide smoothly on your skin without causing any irritation. Once I finish shaving, I like to cleanse my skin using the Rice and Geranium Foaming Cleanser. It leaves my skin feeling very comfortable and clean. To complete my shaving process, I love the soothing and cooling sensation I get from the CBD 300 Face and Body Cream. It leaves my skin feeling protected and moisturized. And that is my very simple 3-step shaving routine for very sensitive skin. I hope you give it a try soon.